once you know how cards are linked, this is a game that you can play. So to start with, what we do is we two players or two teams, ideally two teams, so that they get a chance to talk through their ideas. So this will be, they'll take turns to pick cards, and they can see what each other picks. There's another level of the game where when you pick the cards, you put them number side down so that the other team can't see, but they can see the numbers. But for now, we're just playing it with colors, and then they can pick two at a time sometimes, and you can decide how picking works. Sometimes first player picks and second player picks two, and then and so on. So it's just a way to make it a little more even. But they pick 12 cards, and once they have 12 cards, they can start thinking, well, actually they can do it beforehand, but they can start thinking about how to link them up. And that means using the rules that we have for linking cards, and both teams will do that and try and link the cards to make a loop. So they've got 12 cards, so they've got to try and make a loop with those 12 cards. And then they might want to swap at some point as well. Once they, at some point they can decide, can we swap? And then they'll be able to swap, and just they'll always have 12 cards from that point forward though. And just keep trying to build that loop with the cards they have. And often they'll get to a stage where, for example, they've got a loop, but the two of the cards in that loop won't work, or they've got a place where there's no card that could come close to linking the two cards that are left. And then you've got to decide how to do that. So that's where the puzzle comes in. What card could they need? What card could they swap? How could they get around this? And they might find they need to swap more than one card. And that's fine as well.